enough to keep you cool.
Remember, Pop? Remember.
Are you cool, Pop?
I'm cold.
It's cold?
It's freezing in here. Yay! Say hi to the camera. I'm shaking. You're shaking. Do you want your towel? He's vibrating. What's vibrating? Him.
Why'd you go in with that Raider shirt?
Huh? Talking to me. I told you. Yeah, he was telling me. I'm not going to school tomorrow though. Aries not going to school? No. No. I'm not going for 3 days. Let her go. Don't let her go. So. When does he have? He has one tomorrow, swimming lessons, and then after tomorrow. We have it until Monday through Friday. So we have.
And the week after.
And the week after.
No,